lights. So this vehicle was manufactured in the United States of America, which is pretty cool. But then they put a load of them on boats and sent them over here, and the president of the UK said, whoa, hang on, you can't have both of your lights working at the same time, which is what the Americans do. But for some reason, over here, we don't like that, which is why you see motorbikes sometimes that have like weird shaped headlights. So this has got two headlights, twin headlights. Watch this. Your initial reaction, a sensible initial reaction would be, have you got a bulb out? Which is what I said when I first saw this motorbike. It's what the salesman said when we switched the lights on. He went, oh yeah, I think you've got a headlight out. And it's what pretty much every single person that has seen my motorbike has said. They've all said, have you got a light bulb out? Low beam, high beam, low beam, high beam, low beam, high beam, low beam, high beam. And that's fine if you like things that look awful, but I don't. So I've bought some things. Oh, shiny. These are really cool, and they kind of match the back lights, because one of the things that was also a little bit weird about this motorcycle, and I'm hoping this is going to solve all of our problems, this spider looking thing as well, but again, if we've got to do some wiring, we'll just figure it out. In the back, you've got these like really cool LED lights, and they're so smart. I love how they look. Really, really cool. But God, look how dirty it is. I used it in the wet the other day. But these ones are proper actual bulbs, and it just, the collars don't match the cuffs. Do you know what I mean? Right round the back of these headlights, can you see that very, very fine, small Allen key thing there? I've got to try and get that out now. Is this going to work, or is it just going to round off immediately? Oh my, it's so nice. It's the difference between working on something from 2016, isn't it, and working on the usual antiques that I work on. Everything, please don't fall over. Oh God, everything's so heavy on the motorbike. Don't forget as well, when you're working on electrics on your vehicle, to remove the battery or disconnect the battery. I mean, I haven't, but you know, you should. Okay, rock and roll. What is inside these units? Oh, it's like a double thing, look. Very cool. Take that outer casing off. That's going to cover those. It's going to look much smarter. And yes, we've got 3 plugs. That's your side light, your little side light thing. And obviously your high beam, your low beam and your high... Which way round was it? We should probably check, shouldn't we? And these black ones, they've got to be earths, haven't they? Surely. Oh, tidy. So we only have the one headlight thing, according to my mate, WYNNE, because in this country and in Australia, and international Harley Davidson call it, the government don't want people to think that we're a car, so we only have one headlight instead of 2, which is, well, just sounds dangerous, doesn't it? And obviously, if I've only got one headlight, I know a lot of motorbikes only have one headlight, and it's fine. But if I've only got one, and I could have 2, I've got 100% chance, 200% chance. I don't know how percentages work, but I've got a lot better chance that if a bulb blows, I'm going to be all right, and people are going to see me. So it's just safer and cooler. Right then. Yeah. Look, because we've got 2 yellows and 2 whites coming into there. Let's give it a go. Right, so that's yellow and black, I'll put, if this works and it looks good, I'll put a link up to it in the description as well. So if you have one of these, you can do fun things. One thing that does concern me is there's a huge amount more wires here now. So, are they going to fit in this thing? Right, okay. So the moment of truth, I guess. There's nowhere to put anything on motorbikes compared to cars. They took his eyes on. Okay. I think instantly 2 headlights. Right, what's going to happen when I flash? I mean, that's just the best thing I've ever seen. That was absolutely no hassle whatsoever. No wiring, no chopping of wires. That was just plug and play, purely plug and play. And it's added a million coolness to the bike. Love it when stuff like that happens. And this kit was about 100 quid. A lot, and it all feels really, really nice. I'll put it back together and we'll have a look at it. But yeah, buzzing with that. Link in the description. Right, let's have a look. I can see 2 lights, a reflection of the car outside. I mean, it's just a dramatic improvement on the looks of the bike. Not just from a fact that they're sort of cool black LEDs. So smart. Look at that, dead cool. Even when they're off, it just looks better. The whole bike looks just more modern and a bit cooler. Really, really pleased with those. Difficult for you to see with the reflections though, isn't it? But yeah, very, very smart. I like it a lot. And personally, I just think it's going to be a little bit safer because I'm only new at this, aren't I? So I want it to sort of, I don't know, be as good as I can possibly do it. And I think now that's going to be a bit better. Nice bright LEDs as opposed to these sort of glowworms with the flue down here. But I'll keep these safe just in case we ever want to put it back to standard. If the insurance company ever comes knocking, you know. But for now, that is job done. Well pleased with that.